What if I told you that everything you know about how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations is wrong? Stay with me for 2 minutes. A few years ago, researchers discovered something shocking about how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations that changed the entire field of AI tools and technology. The old way of thinking was to push harder, grind more, and force results. But the data tells a completely different story about how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations. Here is what actually works. Step 1. Simplify. Remove everything that does not directly move the needle on how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations. Step 2. Automate. The best performers in AI tools and technology build systems that handle how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations on autopilot, freeing their brain for what matters. Step 3. Measure. What gets measured gets improved. Track your progress on how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations weekly, not daily. Daily tracking creates anxiety. The people who fail at how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations all share one thing in common. They try to change everything at once instead of focusing on one thing. Here is the one thing to focus on this week. Pick the smallest version of how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations you can do in under 2 minutes. Do it every single day. The compound effect is real. Tiny actions on how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations today become massive results in 6 months. Start before you are ready. Subscribe for more AI tools and technology strategies that actually work. Drop a comment telling me your biggest challenge with how retrieval-augmented generation reduces hallucinations.